Welcome back to CETV Camera Electronic in Perth, Western Australia with the Soul Man Frank here and a very new exciting bit of kit. The Hasselblad 35 to 100mm f2.8 to f4 lens for the new X2D Mark II. Now this one says on here, display version not for sale. And we just got it. So guess what I'm gonna do? I am gonna open it. Now, it says open right here. Is everyone ready? Get ready. All right, just gonna open it. Yay! Wow, this is crazy. Okay, I'm opening it. And here we go. H for Hasselblad. First camera on the moon, in case you guys didn't know. And Victor Hasselblad, the guy who invented and started Hasselblad, that was his real name, V-I-K-T-O-R, and Hasselblad the last name. So now, this is really exciting. It actually comes like in that brown box. It comes like this from Hasselblad. It's perfectly packed. Does anyone know the price of this lens? I don't know, it might be different. You know what, you should consider just getting it from Australia, because I know with the exchange rate for some of our overseas customers, it actually works out better to get this in Australia, in Perth, at Camera Electronic, family-owned business. My brother and I are super excited. Now, what are we gonna do with this thing? Okay, boom, 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 boom. This is actually a really nice quality knife. It's a Bear & Son, American brand. I like this knife. Got a few knives at home. I like different knives. Damascus steel. Okay. Now, just pop this in here. Mate, this is so exciting. We haven't had a new lens from Hasselblad in a while, right? So I'm doing it like this because I want to keep the rest of the plastic on it. And it does actually say, display sale for display version not for sale. So that is a bit sad, because it would be so cool if we could. And I've got so many people asking if they can buy this, but at least you get to see it, play with it, come in down to Camera Electronic and you can try it in store. Talk to my brother or I, or any of our great team about maybe borrowing it and testing it, hiring it. There's a few options we can do. To order a new one will take a while, because they're brand new. Globally, they're gonna take a while. But here we go, the lens hood. Made in a nice bit of plastic. Now, look how much effort they've put in. You can peel it there, you can pop it off here. They've made the actual plastic the same shape as the lens hood. This is crazy. 35 to 100mm f2.8 f4. Now, they had a 35 to 75. I'm not sure if that's still going, but this is very cool, mate. Just the way they engrave the word Hasselblad, the name of the original founder on the metal plate, the metal hood. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. That's the really sexy beast, 35 to 100, 865 grams. We'll come back to that in a second. What else is in the box? What's in here? Oh. Now, this is cool. So what do you get in? Oh, a nice little pouch. You got the certificate of Hasselblad with the serial number, the instruction manual, f2.8 to f4. This is going to be a weapon, this lens. I think it's going to go really well for Blad. Nice to have a pouch, nice to have a hood. Dun, 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 dun. Hasselblad, 35 to 100mm, f2.8 to f4. Look at that glass. That is so cool. Look, check it out. It's amazing. Who knows the thread size? It's on there, 86mm. This is very, very cool. Okay, you know what we should do? We should put it on a camera. Here we go, ba-boom. And so much easier to get that off now. I like keeping those little plastic things together. 35 to 100mm. It is absolutely exquisite. It is built beautifully. The metal, the way they've got the H on all the Hasselblad, on the focusing ring, on the aperture ring, on the zoom. It's just a beautiful bit of kit. It really is. Did everyone realize that that's an actual aperture ring? You can feel and hear, listen. So cool. Gorgeous. Now, how good would this thing look on the new Hasselblad X2D Mark II? Who's seen this already, hey? I don't even know what to say. I'm just so excited about this gear. You can pull the screen right out, everyone knows, but now you can actually go the other way as well. So I think this is super cool. And we're selling a lot of these. People are going nuts for it. You've got the new toggle on the back for your autofocus points, custom button there. Everything else is the same as far as your shutter and aperture dials. I've added some Peak Design little loops onto the Hasselblad lugs, but you know, the Hasselblad strap's not too bad either. We've got a new leatherette, I noticed. Very, very cool. But how good would this look on the camera? I don't want to just get the body cap off just yet, as you'll find a lot of dust is in WA. So I'm gonna go straight on like that. Wow, the beast. 35 to 100. Mate, it's actually really nice now. I haven't even got big hands for a guy, so my hands are small, and this is really small and light. Lens is 865 grams, body I can't remember, but you can look it up, you'll find it. Lens initializing. Right. I love the little sounds it all makes. Right, I'll just take a quick snap of the videographer. Whew. Beast. Hit me. Oh my God, there he is. There's our videographer. Ha, he's gonna laugh now. Guys, thank you. Sick bit of kit, beautiful lens. Coming in to Camera Electronic, and check it out soon. See you there.